Hi, I'm Jo from JHLeather and I'm super excited to announce that I am now going to be offering acrylic templates to aid you in your leathercraft. Over the last week or so, I have been busy creating new designs as well as converting some of my most popular patterns into precision cut acrylic templates. Now I've tried to keep them as simple as possible and as usable as possible by adding guides for stitching, placement of pieces and extra information for those parts that aren't included in the template, as well as having some handy cutouts to make the template pieces as sort of minimum as possible so you are less likely to misplace ones, and it's also going to help keep the material usage down. The material that I have used for the templates are 3mm cast acrylic, making them super strong, and with being transparent you'll be able to see through the leather that you are using to make sure your template is in the best location for your leather products. To start with, I'll be launching 6 different templates, including 4 different keychain designs that will be available both individually and as a pack, a handy 3-pocket card wallet, which I love. I'm also going to be offering some belt end templates in 2 designs and in 3 sizes. There's going to be the A6 notebook cover, and 2 of my most popular PDF packs have been turned into acrylic patterns, and they are the shoulder bag and the one-piece card wrap. Now these are available through my website, and I will also be adding more designs to these in the next few weeks, with my aim to be that each of my make-along videos will have a template to go with them. Each template will come with a mini guide that will suggest what materials to use, as well as the thicknesses and a guide to how to use them to get the most out of each template. Now, if you have your own patterns that you use and you would like to get them made into an acrylic set, I'm also going to be offering a bespoke templating service, and more information can be found over on my website, which is linked up here as well as in the description. Now, all of these templates are precision cut on my new glowforge laser printer, and I will be doing a first look video soon to give you more of an insight as to what this beast can do and how it can help you in your crafting. In the meantime, if you are interested in getting one of these machines for your business, there is a referral code in the description where you can save up to $500 or equivalent on a machine, and it works both ways, so I will also get a bit of a kickback. Now, if you are interested in any of these acrylic templates, there is a link up here as well as in the description. So thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos and tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.